Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi, today we are cooking MAPO Tofu. First, you need to blanch the tofu to get rid of the soybean smell. There's a few types in the market. Try to buy the one that's suitable for frying so that it will not break off that easily. So I just pour this into the boiling water and just let it boil for a couple of minutes. Be very careful when you move them around. If you want to skip this step, it's fine also, but it might not taste as good. In cooking, actually, there's no hard rules to it. It's more of an instinct and how you like your food to be. If you can't get this tofu that's suitable for stir fry, you can use silky tofu, egg tofu. It's really up to you. Except that this is a firmer tofu and it's easier to fry and it won't break up that easily. Now we just pour away the hot water and start to fry this dish. Now in a heated wok or pan, add in 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm going to fry minced beef now. If you don't take beef, you want to use chicken, pork, no problem, it's really up to you. Now I'm using 180 grams of ground beef over here. Try to spread out the beef as much as possible. Once they are cooked, dish them out first. In the same wok, add in another tablespoon of oil. Now MAPO tofu is a little bit oily, so this is usual. Into the oil, I'll add in 5 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 thumb size of ginger chopped, fry them around until you can smell the fragrance coming out from them. Okay, this is about it. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of douban or spicy broad bean paste, 1 tablespoon of hot and spicy sauce. This is the Chinese hot and spicy sauce. Now if you can't find this, you have to use 2 tablespoons of the spicy broad bean paste. I've ground up some Sichuan peppercorn, so I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of this. I like the numbness. Now into this, I'll add in the beef. Smells really good now. Mix it up well. Add in 1.5 cup of chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, you can use just plain water, that'll be fine too, but chicken stock will taste better. Now we'll add in the tofu. Now be very careful when you stir fry this, we don't want to break the tofu up too much. We'll wait for this to boil and then we'll simmer this for a while. Now we'll reduce this water to half the level and then we will prepare some cornstarch solution and thicken the broth. Now that the stock has reduced by half, now this step is very important. I have with me over here cornstarch solution. I need to coat this until the beef can stick onto the tofu. This will take a few times to do it. So I just use 1 tablespoon first. Just spread them around. Gently stir them around. Now we don't want to see too much liquid later. This dish is very popular in Sichuan. It's actually one of my favorite dishes. This goes extremely well with steamed rice. I can finish 2-3 bowls of rice just with this alone. I hope you try this at home. This is really good. 1 more tablespoon of this. If you've never tried this before, this is something like mala guo or mala hot pot. Ingredients are basically more or less about the same, except that in mala guo actually what they use is they use a lot of more chilli and it's super spicy. Now there's one of the favorite restaurant that I've been to in Shanghai. I was staying at Western Hotel and this small restaurant is just opposite there. And I tell you, they make the best MAPO Tofu which I've ever tried. And this is actually taught to me by the chef over there. But of course, they make it much prettier than me. But I tell you, this is really, really good for with rice. Fantastic. One last round, and I think we'll be done. As you can see, it's thickened up very, very well. Now the final step for this is to add in spring onions. I have with me over here 2 stalks of spring onion. I've chopped them up like this, or rather cut them up like this. Just put everything in, stir them in, and it's time to serve this. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our MAPO Tofu. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.